Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to open up my brand new 2020 Jeffsy 29 carbon comp. And Hunter's going to help us out. Noah's going to do the honors. Say. Welcome to the family. Yeah, take that out. Let's see what that is here. Here, Jared. Open that. Cool.
Those are good.
What is that on?
Oh yeah.
A water bottle. What does that one say? Flip it. It says me first. Oh. Nice. Little torque wrench. Has a shock pump and an Allen wrench. Okay, take out the wheels.
Whoa! Those are huge.
Yeah, the 29. Okay, Jared, when Noah pulls it out, hold this, okay? Hold that while he pulls it out. Pull it out. Oh, okay, move this box out the way. Pick it up a little more now. There it is. It will stand up. Put it down. It should stand up. Man, this is so nice. It's like there's gloss right here, and then it goes into matte. No. Just give them to your brother. Wow, this is super nice. Wait, here. See, it's matte here. And shiny YT. You guys can see that. Be careful. Take this out.
There's this.
That's called the dork disc.
Well, we have a dark disc.
Yeah, what else is in there?
We have
more pedals.
pedals. We have these
Noah, should we put these on?
reflectors.
Reflectors? No.
We have
No reflectors.
anti-slip paste and these
Oh, we're gonna need the anti-slip tape. Yeah, we're gonna need that.
and these washers. So we have these.
Those pedals.
Yeah, but we have the better
These are the
pedals.
pedals that come free.
Oh, you have to pay extra for those pedals?
Yeah, I paid extra for the good ones. These ones. Yeah. See the gauge? So you have the gauge, and then you have all of your different size tools that you're gonna need. Okay, and then we got this. This is for the pedals. Really, really nice.
Ooh, look at the pump.
Yeah, and then Jeremiah's gonna show you the pump right now.
Pump has your gauge there, then it's very small, but there's the hose, and
So we're gonna go step.
you just tack up it.
No, I'm saying 2 green.
So we do have a lot of dice tools here.
This right here is the manual.
It's very nice.
Okay. Read first.
I don't think we need that.
Okay. But this is RTFM. Right here. Jeremiah, let's go step by step. Let's read the directions.
RTFM mean?
You want to know what that means?
Yeah.
It means read the FM manual. Okay. Wait, put that. Nope. It's crazy how light these feel. These are super light. It's almost like it feels like hard plastic, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's a composite. No? I don't know. What material is this? That's good for now. Okay, they're on there. Okay, Jared, let's see. What's next?
5mm Allen key.
5mm. Let's see.
Did you have a rough day?
4, 5, 6. Found the 5mm.
What we got next?
Got the rear tire assembly. Let's see if I get this right. This thing has a lockout. Right? You can push. So that locks out. This is the little thing they shipped with.
Take it away.
What is it?
Why am I so nervous?
That looks legitness.
Is that legitness? Okay, so they got this thing right here again for the brakes. That way you don't accidentally squeeze the brakes. Then you're screwed.
So you got to put it back on?
Yeah, it'll be harder to get the brakes back apart. This is super close. Cool. Crank Brothers Stamp 7 Enlarge. Because I got a wide foot. You got your included tool right here. Nice.
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 You can't even see yourself there.
Sorry, we got the Fox 36. The Fox 36 on the Maxxis tires. Got our adjustments right here. Got guide R brakes. There you go. Guide R brakes. On this YT carbon fiber frame. Nice. The saddle looks pretty cool, but I don't know. People say it feels hard, but I don't know yet. Let's see. We got the NX drivetrain on the carbon comp. 11 to 50. Still have, I gotta adjust it because it doesn't want to go all the way down to the 11 too. And that's pretty much it. Got the DPX2 shock right here. About it. Got the dropper post. I'm not too sure. I think this is the YT dropper post. So there it is right there. There you go. Rotate.
I'm his brother, so that makes
like it?
sense.
No, I didn't. That's how it goes. That's cool. Okay.
Oh, what's
It's powerful.
yeah.
So we gotta take this off.
So we gotta take this. So get the tool and take this off.
What
Get it closer. Look, this is a 3. YT. I had to get my own tools. Killing me, man. Had to get my Huskies out. So the downside to this bike is there's no room for a water bottle. So YT was smart and they made their own water bottle. It looks complicated, doesn't it?
No, it's super easy. Just
Oh.
popped in like that.
Wow.
Super quick. They missed it. Go.
How do you pull it up?
Twist it.
I'm gonna crash when I pull it out. Oh!
You know, it's simple. You just gotta twist
Oh, probably because I'm a righty, so probably from the right hand. It's probably easier. Oh yeah, it's easier with your right hand on the right side. So if you're a lefty,
it. Then you stop.
I wonder if you could flip it. It goes right in. Wow. Oh, that time I lost it. There it goes. That's cool. At any spot that I wanted, I just hit it, let it go. All the way up. That way I don't get hit in the juggles.
Oh, you disappeared.
You can see me?
Barely.
There you have it, guys. The 2020 YT Jeffsy 29er Carbon Comp. This bike so far has met all of my expectations. Stay tuned for some trail riding, more videos, and some reviews coming soon. Please subscribe, like, and give me a comment. Thanks for watching. Big Drew MTB.